at the time when she was engaging in those bouts on the mat, she was very much doing it in a very fair manner as per rules. She was 49.9 kgs, which is under 50 kgs, and that's what was required. So therefore, her 3 bouts cannot be cancelled, should not be cancelled. It's arbitrary, whimsical, unethical, immoral, and completely, uncalled for decision of the International Federation as also IOC. And I hope this gets turned down by the CAS, which is then going to be binding on IOC, and hoping that Vinesh can come back with a silver medal.
Sir, one last question. Now, sir, just that Sanjay Singh sitting there at Paris and taking all the decision on behalf of
Yeah, so this petition we had filed on behalf of Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Phogat, and Sakshi Malik and others, in the month of February. From 3rd of March, when the matter was heard first, and thereafter a CM application was moved seeking intervention of the court, an urgent intervention of the court, stopping Sanjay Singh, who is a suspended, who is a president of a suspended Wrestling Federation of India, and the suspension is by none other than the Government of India. I can't understand. It is the Government of India which clears all the names. How could they have cleared Sanjay Singh's name and all the cronies of Brij Bhushan Singh, Sharan Singh? Sanjay Singh is none other than a person who has been planted by Brij Bhushan. His son now in UP is become the president. So the control is completely in the hands of a charge-sheeted person like Brij Bhushan, and the Government of India, simply because he happens to be a part of the ruling party and a member of parliament from Gonda in the past, having huge amount of clout in UP, they are just seeing the other way. This is not a way to deal with athletes, and the matter in the court was all about selection trials being fair, and we had anticipated all of this much earlier. For the last 6 months, we've had numerous hearings in the High Court. Unfortunately, the High Court took 2.5 months to first hear the proceedings, and then since 24th of May, which is pre-vacations, the order has been reserved on a simple application. With a lot of, with a heavy heart, I had gone to the court and requested the learned single judge, who's now sitting on the division bench roster, that kindly please pass that order, because delay in passing the order is actually helping all these people who are having deep-rooted conflict of interest in the federation, and who are violating every single law, prevailing law on the side on the sports domain. So hoping that Delhi High Court learned single judge does pass the order very soon, and eventually justice is given to a champion performer like Vinesh. She's not only a champion on the mat, her resilience is something which is being talked about globally now, and whether we eventually end up getting medal for Vinesh or not, I think she has won a golden place in the hearts of every Indian citizen, and I dare say citizens globally. So Vinesh is a legend. Her stories are going to be spoken to generations hereafter, and I just hope she's able to gather herself, she's able to put everything together once again, and the champion that she is, she comes back and we give her a completely unprecedented welcome when she comes to India, unlike any other sports person, including the gold medalists that we've had. We should, as India, celebrate the daughter of India, which is Vinesh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.